I have learned in media information was, first, the 5 history of media, the tribal age, where the senses of hearing, touch, and smell were developed, the age of literacy, the print age, where the printing press made it widespread, the electronic age, and lastly, the digital age. I also learned that media was the main reason why we can access information easily, the types of media, and why do we need to be literate in terms of media. Because not all things that happen in media was true, and some of it are just made just to catch our attention. I also learned some basic concepts like the singular form of media was medium, some types of media and its characteristics, and lastly, I learned some skills on how to be media literate. First, I need to ask the right questions. Second, relying on more than one source. And lastly, crafting their own stand or opinion.